friends, welcome back to my ventures, Addie Ventures. It is traveling day. We are headed to Northern Europe. I don't want to disclose the exact location yet because I would love for you guys to guess where we're going on this trip. We're going to two places. One of them is going to be super cold. We're only there for like a day and a half. And then the second place is more like Oregon weather. So yeah, I'm not disclosing of the exact location, but just know it is Northern Europe in December when it is going to be freaking cold. Where do you guys think we're going? I wanted to make this video because I wanted to share with you guys some of my travel essentials and a thing or two that I've learned from traveling to Europe. I've only gone once, but in that one time, a thing or two that I learned that I should pack and take. So I wanted to share with you guys how I pack and some essentials that I have that I take with me for traveling. I'll also share with you guys the electronics that I'm taking since we are creating content. If you are an Oregonian, it is freaking cold for us. Like, it's been extremely cold these last couple days. Woke up to a bunch of snow today. Not a bunch of snow, but woke up to pretty icy roads, to snow. So I hope everyone across the nation is staying warm. It is freezing here. I can't imagine what it's like in Chicago, in New York, in Wisconsin, and just Middle East US. I bet it's a lot colder than it is here. Okay, so starting off, I got this outlet, this European outlet on Amazon. Honestly, a lot of the things that I got are from Amazon. But last time we went to Europe, we did not take a European plug, so we had to go to a local market and purchase one, which wasn't too expensive, but I'd rather be prepared, and I got a 2-pack, one for me and one for Danny. Another thing that I got is this power brick. It comes with the regular USB, and then I do have a lot of the USB-C connections because of the Apple products. So I bought this one, which has just a couple more outlets for me. I also purchased a new stick for my camera and for my phone. My last one broke in New York, and it doesn't go up super high, but it does go up high enough. So I do like it. It was inexpensive, and this is what it looks like. Since we are getting in water at some point, I bought these for Danny and I. They came in a 2-pack, and we've used these in Cancun, and we really like them. So I'm hoping I can take some content with my iPhone. This is new, and I have not bought this or took this on travel, but because we're taking so many electronics, I bought this little case for all of our cables, our power bricks, any extra like electronic cable accessories are just gonna go in here. I already kind of started to fill it up with some of the stuff, but it's really small. Show you guys. So it's pretty small. It's a nice little compacted size. I did also do a Target haul this morning. I don't like to take full size of my products. I'm pretty selective on what I like to take. So these are some of the things that I bought that I didn't have. I bought wipes. I feel like wipes are a must to take anytime you're traveling, especially. So I bought 2 sets. I bought these toothpaste, or not toothpaste, toothbrush covers. I have not traveled with them before, but I've seen them, and I feel like we're always covering our toothbrushes. So I bought these, got a little pack for Danny and I. I also bought this Q-tip holder because we don't have one. We just put stuff like in plastic, like little Ziploc bags. So I bought this little case that already comes with Q-tips. Toothpaste, I never travel with the full-size toothpaste. I always travel with the travel sizes just because I don't need to carry a large toothpaste. By the way, you guys, I am packing for about 12 days. So that's including travel days. So 10 days and then 2 days of travel, essentially. Because to get to Europe, it's like a whole day forward or a whole day back, I feel, essentially. So, some dry shampoo. I don't want to take the full size, it's just too big, so I bought a little one for my travels. Last but not least, I was running out of sunscreen. I have the travel size, I have the tiny one, so I just went ahead and purchased the bigger one. I will travel with the bigger one because I need a lot of sunscreen. So that's my Target haul for toiletries. Okay, so more on toiletries. I got these little travel size containers on Amazon, and I use them for my shampoo, conditioner, face wash, and body wash. So I don't usually take like a whole body wash and my face wash. I just fill these up and take these. I feel like they carry enough for me for at least like 2 weeks, so that'll do. I'm carrying travel size lotion, just some hair product, and then my perfume, of course. All right, so as far as electronics, I am taking my MacBook so I can download and maybe even start editing. Taking the drone. Hey, Wolfie. Wolfie. Mamas. Say hi, mamas. Say hi. Yeah, mama, say hi. Say hi, mi amor. Yeah, baby. She's so cute. She's gotten so big, huh, you guys, since the puppy vlog? She is huge. You're huge, mamas. Yeah, you're huge, mamas. So proceeding with Wolfie showing us the electronics. We have an Insta360, which Danny bought. Thank you, Danny. He just bought this recently because he just got a motorcycle, so he's gonna do a lot of content with this. And what's really cool about this one is that this one shoots like it gives you that like globe view, and honestly it just gives you a ton of different views to shoot from. I really like it, so I'm excited to use this. And then I put my phone because I'm of course taking my phone. I have the 13 and it shoots really well. So I love the cinematic view on it, and I like it for taking pictures. So these are all of the electronics that are going with us. And then of course we can't forget my vlogging camera, which I have a Sony a6000 with the stick that I showed you guys earlier. My lens is a 16-15. or 16-50. I like the 16 because it's so wide, but hopefully next year I can get a lens that's a little more focused, more, I don't know. I guess I'm looking for something with better quality. I like this one, but I'm just looking for something that's a little more, that's a little more cinematic and has better quality. Another essential thing that I forgot to show you guys is this jewelry box that I got on Amazon. I'm gonna put my phone up to it just so you guys can see how small it is. It is small, but I love this little jewelry box. I used to just carry everything in a little Ziploc bag, and now I have this thing which keeps everything organized. This is essentially for the earrings, but I just kept everything in its original packaging, and I just cut around it and put it down here, which is where the bracelets go. And then this goes on top, and I put my bracelets up here. So definitely recommend. All right, after a few hours, I'm finally done packing. Here's my drone. Here is our cable accessory case. Got some shoes in my carry-on. And then this is my check-in bag. And oh my god, I forgot to share with you guys, but these things, these travel organizers, I love them. I have been using them for a couple trips now, and I just really like how they keep everything compacted. They keep everything tight. You can just unzip it, find like your pair of jeans that you want, pull them out and zip everything back up. So I have that one, and then I have another one, and then everything else is just kind of folded around. But if you guys do not have these, buy some. They really help keep your luggage clean. I'm not kidding. But that's what my luggage looks like. Another thing that I forgot to mention, you guys, about the electronics is I would charge all of your electronics, everything you have, everything that you're taking, charge them before you go on travel, clear out your memory cards, and complete any updates that your electronics require. I feel like I've done this mistake in the past where I come back home, I don't clear out my memory card, I don't charge my devices, I don't connect them to Wi-Fi, and then I travel again and I show up to wherever I go, and then it's like, oh, you have an update, or I don't have memory, or I want to shoot but I don't have freaking battery on my devices. So I know it's something that I should just get in habit of coming back, clearing out my memory card and charging, but seriously, don't forget to do that. I feel like that's just another key thing about traveling with your electronics. All right, guys, well, with that said, this wraps up my travel essentials video. I hope you guys found it helpful or informal in any way or shape. I hope you guys learned something new. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will happily reply as soon as I can. If you made it this far and you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. More content coming 2023. And of course, more content coming for this vacation we're going on. And don't forget to guess. I wanna know where you guys think we're going. I know someone's gonna get it right, so please just guess. All right, guys, well, I will see you guys overseas. I'll see you guys in Northern Europe on the next vlog. I hope everyone is staying warm. I hope everyone has happy holidays. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.